trying to see if I can get him. Yeah, I can barely see him through the damn trees. There he is. I don't know what exactly fight that was. Sun setting over there. Try to see if you can see that shit. Yeah, there it is. There's a tree. Look there at those two trees. Right on it. What the fuck is this shit? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I need to reach some 50 followers so I can go live on my mobile device, my phone. I can film more exciting stuff that way than what I have been. Shut up. Sergeant? Return. Stupid dog, come on. Sarge. Shut your big bazoo. Sit. I said, come here. Set your ass down. Stay. Don't you move till I damn well tell you to. Sargie. You're clear, come on. You're clear, come here. Sit. Hey, where you going? Asshole. Sergeant.